this video, I will gonna show you how to boost your PC. First, press Windows plus X on your keyboard and click Terminal. Paste the command and press Enter. I will put the commands in the description so you can copy and paste in the terminal. Next, open Windows search bar and choose a power plan and open it. Choose Ultimate Performance. Alright, done. Next, press Windows plus X again on your keyboard and open Task Manager. Open Startup Apps. Right-click and disable. For me, I don't need to use Microsoft To Do, Microsoft Edge, OneDrive and Xbox, so I decide to disable 4 of them. And everything is done. Thank you for watching. Remember to give the video a like and I will see you in the next one.